It's now 6:45 in the morning and I'm headed towards KTM showroom for my first service of this bike, Adventure 390. And it's been a very long time that I have seen this part of the day. I cannot believe that I am currently seeing Surya Mahadev on my left side. So welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you people are doing well and safe at your home. So this bike clocked near 620 kilometers on road. I did only 100 plus kilometers on the road. Rest my father did. He used it as his daily commute to his bank. So so I think I'm pretty much sure that I can go ahead for the first service. I wanted to record the whole service, but thing is that people at service center are COVID affected. I mean, few of them were affected, and because of that the service was closed, and I don't think it would be proper for me to go inside and vlog everything. So I'm not gonna vlog inside COVID, I mean inside the service center. So anyway, I'll give you more details once I have the bill and all, and I'll talk to them if they can give me some details about first service. So stay tuned for that, and let me go and do all the other formalities. I'll get back to you once the service is over. My bad. Oh, there it is, the service center. So I'll just go inside and get my bike service, and then let's see you guys again after some time.
2 hours later.
So finally service is done, guys. I'll share you the bill. They didn't do much. In 1000 kilometers service, they will just change the oil, engine oil, and they will change the air filter if it is damaged. Otherwise they won't change it, they will just clean it. Filter cleaning will be done. So
परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से, ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए। करो फिर, हमारी पावर है। जब तक हम कह रहे थे करो 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 तो कह रहे थे तुम करो, आज हमने कर दिया तो कह रहे हम करेंगे, तो करो ना भाई, क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
I think I need to get some petrol. So the total bill is 1589 rupees. I'll share you the invoice to the left side of the screen. You can see that. First service, ठीक है. That is not too much as compared to other company services, but yeah, the service interval is very low here, 1000 kilometers and the first service. So obviously price will be less, that is known. So let's head back home. Oh, I need to get some petrol, right? I forgot to. I already mentioned, right? Let's see if I can get power petrol this time. We have cycle track here in Kakinada, but God knows where are the cyclists. Sorry. COVID care center. Oh. See, everyone is on the road. Do they really have some work, that's why they are coming out, or it is just for fun they are roaming on the roads? Not sure. I should keep my distance from these girls. Lovely, lovely. The response is awesome, man. Gear shift is good. They said clutch lever was a bit tight, that's why gear shifting was hard. Now it is good. I also feel that it is good now. Earlier I didn't notice until unless they told me this particular thing. New to riding bike, I mean new to riding a big bike. Not that big, yeah. For me this is big, this is enough actually, this will do the job. Oh my god, I forgot to fill petrol. Again the same thing. There won't be any power petrol available. Where can I find power petrol? Yeah, there are many petrol bunks in the city, but not sure which petrol bunks offers power petrol. Anyway, let's check. I don't think guys you got information about the bike service, so it doesn't mean anything if I drag it now. So let's end this video. I'll get back to you guys in another video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.